Hey everyone, guys, today's DIY is so amazing and आप लोग देख सकते हो the makeup brushes are so dirty and इसके लिए मैंने ये DIY create किया है. This is a cleansing bar which can clean your brushes, and let's do it, and I'll just show you all how I have done it. I have just double boiled the pure soap and the Dettol soap. You can choose any of the two soaps, but I chose glycerine in Pure's and Dettol for the fragrance, as it gives that hygiene feel and fragrance in it. And you all can see it is so easy to get these makeup brushes cleaned. Even when you're traveling, you can just make a small chota tub. Same way, just double boil both these soaps together, grate them and then double boil, so that the process becomes really easy. And then you can make a chotu container for your traveling purpose. And you can see the makeup brushes are really clean now, smells really hygiene. And you just have to remove the complete water from the container and let it dry. That's it.